Just want to say thank you to everybody in CAD class here. You guys have been a great group, so fun to work with, such hard workers, and you just get stuff done. We have a fun time in class, we have good conversation, and it's been a pleasure working with you this year. And I wanted to say thank you for that. It makes my job as a teacher way easier when I have such a great group like you guys to work with. So thank you, CAD 1 and CAD 2, for being such go-getters. It makes teaching a lot of fun. Thanks for enjoying and putting up with all my terrible jokes. Thanks for saying my pancakes were good, even though they probably weren't very good. Thanks for giving me all those fishing tips and having good conversation and just have a fun time about being in school. I'd love to continue working with each and every one of you. It's been fun to have you in CAD. It'd be great to have you next year in CAD if you're an underclassman, and take you in CAD 2 again. We're going to have some great things coming in. I'm hoping to get a couple 3D printers that are up and working. We're hoping to get a Tormac, 2 Tormac machines, so we can have CNC machining right in the classroom. So we're hoping for a lot of cool things that way. Also, if you're a junior or senior next year, we do have some internships available. Those internships can turn into summertime jobs or permanent jobs if you're not looking to go on to school. Where to go from here? If you are looking for other classes that make sense for you, CAD really fits nicely with manufacturing with Mr. Nelson. He's a great teacher. He really knows the ins and outs of CNC machining, and that's the next step to understand how to make parts if you're going to go into engineering and the manufacturing side of things, or the first semester. If you like the architecture side of things better, you like Revit or SketchUp, and you like drawing houses, your next moves would be going into the woods and the carpentry classes that Mr. Dahlheimer teaches. Those are great classes to get you that base knowledge and understanding so that you know how things go together, so it's easier for you to draw them. If you're moving on to the college or tech college next year, or moving in, again, those internships, senior year, help out getting you move forward into a career. If you don't want to go on to school, that's perfectly fine. If you want to go to a 2-year tech school, great. There's a lot of great ones, Anoka Tech, Hennepin Tech, St. Cloud Tech, Alexandria Tech, that offer CAD. They offer machining. They offer construction and carpentry. They offer architecture. And it's a really good way to get a good basic 2-year degree in one of these different fields. If you're looking to go the 4-year route, that's perfectly fine too. You got your engineering schools, the U of M. It's a great engineering school. I know Mankato is a great civil engineering, which means you're designing roadways, bridges, that type of stuff. Great government jobs there. There's also St. Cloud State has some great engineering. Those are just some local ones, and there's many other great ones around the area. If you're going to go into the architecture side of stuff, construction management type of stuff, the U of M's got a great program. My alma mater of UW Stout has both a great mechanical engineering and a great construction management program. Have had people, my friends have gone through both of those and gotten great careers out of both of those. So if you have any questions or further comments about this, just let me know. Send me an email. I'll be happy to send an email back to you. Again, thank you for a great year. It's been a pleasure working with each and every one of you. Fun to get to know you. Fun to see what's happening. I really am disappointed that this whole COVID thing turned it into an online learning situation, because I enjoyed working with you and seeing your face every morning. Keep up the great work. Make good choices this summer. Keep those bobbers in the water and keep going. Have fun, and we'll see you next fall.